pack with me to go on a hiking trip to Big Bend. Last minute, it's like 8:30. I'm leaving at 5 a.m. So I don't know why I waited until the night before, but I actually have a lot to do. I'm heating up some leftovers right now and I'm gonna eat a quick dinner and then start. I'm going solo, so I do have to drive 9 hours by myself, so I do need to get at least 7 hours of sleep. So I probably should have started this about 3 hours ago, but I need to do my laundry, pack, and then clean my apartment because I'm going to be gone for a week. So let me eat dinner and then get to it. Leftover Japanese and Coke Zero for dinner. Okay, I just have a little bit of laundry to do, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower to get this started. Oh, I'm also almost out of the laundry soap, so I'm just gonna straight pour this in here. Okay, so this is the backpack that I brought with me for 10 days to Italy. I also had another bag, but I think I'm gonna bring this one, and I know I'm probably overpacking for a week-long trip, but I know that I'm gonna be running and hiking, and so there's some days that I may use multiple outfits. So I think I'm also gonna have to bring this one, and I'm driving, so there's no like luggage limit. Basically all cozy, comfy clothes. I might bring one pair of jeans in case I do horseback riding, but I'm gonna stuff as much in here and then put like my toiletries, chargers, journal, all the other stuff in that bag. Okay, I'm definitely overpacking, but this is what I have. I have a couple of things that I'm washing that I want to bring with me. Sports bras. I have 3 tank tops. The weather is like cold at night, but the daytime is like 60s, 70s. These are all pants, so different like leggings and stuff. I'm bringing 1 pair of biker shorts, and then these are 2 like zip jackets. These are all my tops, mostly long sleeve, and then these 2 hoodies. I might bring 1 more. Y'all, I know this is a lot, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I'm not flying, so I don't have a limit on how much I can bring. I do need to figure out what I'm wearing there. Again, it's a 9-hour drive, so I want to be comfy. I think I might throw on like yoga flare pants and just throw on this shirt. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to bring. And then in this bag over here, I know I'm going to bring my book, my gratitude journal that I write in every single day, and a couple more things. Like all over the place right now. I have a bunch of snacks. I'll probably put that in a different bag. So here's everything. I got stuff for s'mores, and then a lot of different snacks for the road because it's like 8, I can't do math, 9 plus 9 is 18 hours of driving, plus I'm there for 5 full days, kind of like 6. So I have a bunch of snacks. I got this first aid kit that I'm going to take with me hiking. This pour over coffee, I tried this a couple weeks ago. I went glamping in Austin, loved it. Again, all my faves. We got the Reese's, we got the M&Ms with the peanut. These are so good. So I got 2 of these honey roasted almonds. I got some Love Monster Trail Mix. And then this is my little coffee creamer. I'm bringing some crackers. I'm also bringing wine, and I have another wine in my car. I know this is a lot, but y'all, I'm trying to have a nice relaxing time. I'm also gonna bring a couple of packets of Splenda for my coffee. So there's all the food. As far as I am very indecisive, so I'm filming on my Canon right now, but I'm kind of like going back and forth on whether or not I want to bring my Sony. Honestly, I just got this camera, but there's just some things that I wish it had that it doesn't, and vice versa. But I don't want to bring like both of my cameras just in case something happens. I'm kind of leaning towards leaving this Sony here and then just bringing my Canon with a couple of lenses. So this is my camera bag. Y'all, I also just got a drone yesterday. So this is my drone remote. I haven't even had time to play with it, so this trip is going to be the first time that I'm using it. And then here's my drone. I got the DJI Pro 3. I'm really excited to test this out. I wish I could have tried it before leaving, but it's been super like rainy and just not good weather here to test that out. And then I'm also gonna bring, this is my 50mm lens. Love it for photos. And then this is a 22mm lens. And I'm also bringing my Polaroid, so I have extra film. And then this is the SQ6 and stacks that I'm gonna bring. Oh my gosh, I forgot I got more snacks. I got a lot. So I also got energy drinks because I'm driving a long time. Gonna bring these lighters, my speaker, and this portable charger. I think that's kind of it. I'm going to bring this Columbia jacket for the cold and charging that. My Baggu purse, and I think that should be it. So while my laundry is going, I'm gonna start cleaning. I need to just clean the kitchen, like throw away any old food and stuff since I'm gonna be gone for a week. And then by the time I'm done, I should have my laundry done. I'm just gonna pack everything in to go. Let's do a time check because I do wanna go to bed soon. It is 9:11. Hair products, I'm gonna bring my Rizos Curls Mousse, the deep conditioner, and then I'll bring this Cream of Nature edge gel and my edge brush. White tooth comb, and then my Tangle Teezer brush. I probably only will wash my hair once maybe, but it kind of depends. I put my shampoo in there, but actually I should probably put it over here. But here's all of the hair stuff, and then I always keep a clip in my purse. Okay, it is 10:09. I'm so tired. Couple of things. I just mapped it out, and there's like a Prada store in the middle of nowhere, Texas, that I want to stop at before going to where I'm staying. And I just realized that this is going to be a 9-hour and 45-minute drive. It's going to take me almost 10 hours to get there. So I kind of have to wake up at like 4 a.m., which is in a couple of hours, leave by 5. My goal is just to get to the place I'm staying at by 4. Also, realization is that I'm bringing a lot of stuff, but I'd rather be safe than sorry, because I feel like on this type of trip where I'm hiking, running a couple of times, like doing so many activities, I'm gonna go through more clothes. So let me show you everything I'm bringing. Is this way too much? Yes. I also decided that I need to bring a big suitcase because it's just not all gonna fit in the backpack. So here's everything I'm taking for 6 days in Big Bend National Park in Texas. Okay, we have all the clothes I showed you guys, 2 tripods, my little phone thingy, hiking socks. This is my hiking bag from Teton. This is the bag I was going to bring, but I realized that it's probably not gonna fit. My little Stanley. This is the outfit I'm gonna wear there. These are just some yoga pants from Aerie, and I just got this from an antique shop today. Super cute Texas windbreaker. And then all of my clothes. These have my electronics, headphones, speaker. This is hair stuff, my first aid kit, lighters, and then these are the only shoes that I'm bringing. My hiking boots, and I'm gonna wear these. These are my Brooks Ghost Max running shoes. I'm gonna throw everything in there because I just don't feel like stuffing it in a bag. So I'm honestly gonna throw everything in there, and then I probably don't need to bring this anymore, but I might just bring my work purse. I just need something to keep my laptop safe because I'm not going to throw my laptop in. So I'll probably just end up bringing this little work purse to keep like my laptop and some electronics. This is my food bag. I'm also bringing this. I have water to drink for the car. This is my little bagoo bag, and then this is all my camera stuff, which maybe will fit in my suitcase. So yeah, I'm definitely bringing way too much stuff, but I just want to be prepared. So I'm gonna stuff everything into this big bag and then try to get some sleep. Okay, so I definitely needed the suitcase. Here's everything in there. The only things that I'll just throw in the morning are my journals, because I journal every single morning, and then my toothbrush and toothpaste. So I have all of my little toiletries here. I've been looking forward to this trip for a couple weeks now. I'm super excited. I am I would say a little bit nervous about the drive because I've never driven this long by myself before, so I'm gonna try to get some sleep. Stay tuned for my vlog. I'm super excited, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!